Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn any photo into a fun Christmas poster animations in just a few steps. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Dreamface App. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head over to the Play Store and then just install it. And once installed, just open the app and then log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface will offer a free plan that will give you weekly credit, so you can try this out without paying anything. And then next, once you log in, you will be on the home page like this. And then over here, just tap on Magic Effect. This one, just tap on it. This is where all the fun filters are and animations live. And then next, just find the effect that called XMAS poster. This one, just tap on it. And then just choose the photo. Just select the photo that you want to transform. Uh, Make sure the face and the photo is clearly visible. Just tap on plus button to upload the photo. Like this, and then just choose your photo and then just tap on confirm like this. And when you're done, just simply tap on create. It will take one credit like this. And okay, there it is. Your photo is now a fun Xmas poster with animated effect like this, complete with the Christmas tree and then the Christmas greeting text like this. Honestly, it really brings the holiday vibes to life, and I think it's so cool. And then when you're happy with your animations, with your result, just tap on download to save these results. And okay, that's it. Super easy, right? If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.